Are you having trouble sleeping? Let's talk about sleep training for adults. In order to help my patients with insomnia, I've developed a step-by-step adult sleep training. Now you can set yourself up for sleep success by doing these steps. First, you need a relaxing bedtime routine. You need to tell your brain, specifically your hypothalamus, it's time to go to sleep. A hot bath before bed can help you relax. Hot water helps soothe sore muscles and your senses. Add Epsom salts for even more muscle relaxation. Maybe calming essential oils like lavender to help trigger your brain chemistry to wind down. Get into comfy pajamas, curl up in bed, read a book. Don't use a digital device. Read a real book or magazine, and no news, something relaxing. Perhaps you might want to journal. I like to record my reflections from the day, any insights, all the good things, count my blessings, no to-do list. Don't get your brain revved up in bed. If you must create a to-do list for the next day, do it right after dinner and before you start your bedtime ritual. Don't bring your worries into bed. Then, be sure your bedroom is completely dark. That's right, no lights at all in your bedroom. No digital lights, no night lights, no TV, nothing. Light interferes with your melatonin production, and if you're having sleep issues, you can bet your melatonin production is not optimal. Your hypothalamus controls your sleep cycles, and if you had any lights on at night, you're effectively telling your hypothalamus that it's daytime. So your hypothalamus does not trigger your pineal gland to make melatonin. Now next, be sure your room temperature is just right. Your hypothalamus needs to be signaled that it's nighttime by an adjustment in temperature as well. So your bedroom temperature should be between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Any cooler and you'll be cold and have trouble sleeping, but any hotter, you won't be able to get into deep sleep. If you're cold at night, consider getting your thyroid function checked. Then use ambient noise to lull yourself into a deep sleep. A white noise machine will do. What makes you most relaxed? The sound of ocean waves, rainfall, a fan. Find that sound and let it play for 8 hours. I prefer you use a battery-operated sound machine rather than a digital device that's using cellular or Bluetooth. Sleeping by a digital device that's on and connecting to the internet seriously disrupts sleep, and studies show that the health of your brain cells are adversely affected. Now, if you're not able to reset your sleep cycles with these techniques in 14 days, then definitely consider supporting your hypothalamus. Your hypothalamus needs specific nutrients to do its job correctly. Besides controlling your sleep cycles, your hypothalamus controls all your hormones, your immune system, and your neurological system. So if it's not getting what it needs to keep you alive and healthy, your sleep may be affected. I recommend Genesis Gold with extra sacred 7 amino acids for my toughest insomnia cases. It may take 3 months to fully reset your sleep cycles, and longer if you've suffered for more than 3 years with chronic health conditions like autoimmunity, fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue syndrome, thyroiditis, adrenal insufficiency, brain injury, mood disorders, or you have complicated menopause. Now, if you have any questions regarding whether your insomnia may be related to your hypothalamus, why don't you join us in our hormone support group where I address your questions live. You can access the group by signing up for our free hormone reboot training. If you've been stressed for years, it's going to take your hypothalamus support and sleep training to restore healthy sleep habits. I'll see you in the next video.